Hello traders, today I'm trading Forex markets using the Supply Demand EA ProBot. I just had the first trade for today on gold 5 minutes time frame, but I don't like this setup. Price is reacting from higher time frame demand zone, so I really don't trust this setup. And for this reason, I'm going to move the take profit much higher and stop loss lower, so the trade is going to close with a really small profit. Now, as you can see, take profit target was reached and the trade closed. This is the first trade the EA placed, and now I will be waiting for the second trade EA is going to give me today. We just have the second trade EA placed on Nasdaq 15 minutes time frame on this narrow demand zone. We have also the moving average here. It is a nice setup. I'm going to move the take profit lower, also the stop loss a bit higher. Price dropped, reached this demand zone. We also have a demand zone on 30 minutes time frame. Started to go higher, maybe I will move my take profit a bit higher. You can see price is very close to the take profit target, and now, as you can see here, the trade was closed with profit. At the moment we had two trades, one on gold, one on Nasdaq. I'm going to place one more trade. Here, as we can see, price comes again to the demand zone, but we already took our profits. I'm not going to enter again, this would be very risky. I always want to take my profits on the first reaction after price is touching a supply or demand zone. I have set from the input parameters for EA to place 3 trades, so I'm waiting for one more trade for today. Let's going to see what is going to be the third trade EA is going to give us today. We had one more trade on Nasdaq 5 minutes time frame on this narrow supply zone. This zone is also nested inside high time frame supply zone, as you can see here. This supply zone, it is within this supply zone on 30 minutes time frame, so this gives extra probability to our trade. Price is reacting from this supply zone. I'm going to move the take profit higher. I want to avoid this demand zone. And also I will move my stop loss lower here. This is the third trade the EA plays. Price is very close to take profit target. I really hope that price is going to drop. My take profit target was just reached. This is the third trade the EA placed. I'm not going to place any more trades for today. I'm going to disable the auto trading from the platform. And now I'm going to show you the results I got today from 3 trades. The first trade on gold that I closed it with very small profit. Second trade on Nasdaq, it was a buy trade, it was a really nice setup. And third trade again on Nasdaq on this nested supply zone on 5 minutes time frame. Also very nice setup. We gave us the possibility to go for more than 1-to-1, as you can see here. This week means that price touched it and suddenly drops because we had a lot of sellers on this area. I placed my take profit above this demand zone because there is high probability that price is going to touch this demand zone and will start to go up again. So I already took my profits, 3 trades for today, and those are my daily results. This was the video for today, guys. I hope all of you had an amazing trading day, and if you have any question you can send me an email and I would be glad to assist you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye!